Sending and receiving cryptocurrency can seem daunting at first, but it's easier than it looks. Let's break it down step by step. First up, to send crypto, a digital wallet is essential. Think of it as your online bank account for digital currency. Wallets come in various forms: mobile apps, desktop software, or even hardware devices. Each has its perks, but they all serve the same purpose: storing your crypto securely. Once the wallet is set up, it's time to fund it. This can be done by purchasing crypto through an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. After buying, the crypto goes straight into the wallet. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about sending crypto. To send funds, the recipient needs a wallet address. This address is a long string of letters and numbers, unique to each wallet. It's crucial to double-check this address before sending, as transactions are irreversible. No one wants to send their hard-earned crypto to the wrong address. When ready to send, simply enter the recipient's wallet address, specify the amount, and hit send. The transaction gets broadcasted to the network, where miners or validators confirm it. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the network congestion. Receiving crypto is just as straightforward. The sender will need the wallet address, which can be copied directly from the wallet app. Many wallets also offer a QR code for quick scanning. Once the sender initiates the transaction, the recipient just needs to wait for confirmation. Most wallets will notify when the funds arrive. It's important to note that different cryptocurrencies have different transaction fees and speeds. Bitcoin transactions can take longer and may have higher fees during peak times, while Ethereum transactions can be faster but also vary in cost. Always check the current network conditions before sending. Security is key in the crypto world. Enable two-factor authentication on wallets and exchanges, and consider using a hardware wallet for larger amounts. Keeping private keys secure is crucial. Losing them means losing access to the funds. Lastly, understanding the tax implications of sending and receiving crypto is vital. Many countries treat crypto as property, meaning transactions can trigger capital gains taxes. Keeping accurate records of transactions can save headaches later. In summary, sending and receiving crypto is a straightforward process once familiar with wallets and addresses. With a bit of practice, anyone can navigate the crypto landscape confidently. So, dive in and start exploring the world of digital currency. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.